Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to post full 3-minute reels on Instagram. Let's get right to it. First, open the Instagram app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap the plus icon to start a new post. Next, select the reel option. After that, tap on the camera icon to begin recording or uploading. Now, on the left side of the screen, you'll see a few options. Tap on the down arrow icon to reveal more settings. A few more options will appear. Click on length. You'll see several time options. Tap on the 3-minute icon to set the reel length to 3 minutes. Now, in the bottom left corner, click on the Photos icon. This will redirect you to your device's Photos app. Scroll through your gallery and select the video you want to upload. After selecting the video, tap Next. Make any necessary adjustments, such as adding text or music, and then click Next again. Now, write your captions, add hashtags, and tag any relevant accounts. Finally, click the Share button. It will take a few moments to process, and your 3-minute reel will be shared to your profile. And that's it. You've successfully posted a 3-minute reel on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.